Hello everyone, today we have a 2021 Nissan Titan with four-wheel drive. That V8 is sounding good, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take it for a tour. So it does have the red tow hooks up front and the LED headlight surrounds, and they don't flicker to the human eye. That's the refresh rate of the camera that makes them look like that. You see that it does have the fog lights up front and alloy wheels. I absolutely love these running boards. And as you see, it has the Pro-4X package, power sliding back doors, and it has the cargo tracks and the bumper steps, which are super handy. Go ahead and put that back up. See, it does have a tow package. There's your receiver right there. And mud flaps all the way around. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a tour of the interior. See that it does have black pinhole leather and then red stitching. You see these rear seats are heated, and then you also have a 120 volt outlet right here, as well as two USBs and a 12 volt. You see that they do have Fender speakers, two driver presets. Go ahead and give you a shot of this VIN right here, and I will upload some photos also, as I know they go through this fairly quickly. Okay, as you look down here, see that it only has 2,990 miles on it. And then you've got your stereo controls, your push to talk, your cruise control. Over here you have push button start, 2 and 4-wheel drive, and both heated and cooled front seats. That's what these are. And this is super nice to put your phone there and charge up with any of those. And then you have trailering settings. And then there's your key fob right there. You see that it does have remote start. And as you come down here, you got additional stowage. There's a 12 volt outlet right there. And a heated steering wheel, sensors. And as you come up here is your stereo. And I'm going to go ahead and shut the lights off, and that will brighten that up. And then here we have a touch screen. So you see that you do have Bluetooth. Okay, and then we can jump through our different settings of the navigation, but here's your map right here. And then here's your audio, which your sources are AM, FM, Sirius XM, USB, or Bluetooth. Then go back to your main menu. You can see that your backup camera. There we go. There's your backup camera and your 360-degree cameras, which is super nice. And you have additional tow modes right there. And you can bump over to your info, which has your notifications, and then there's your SXM parking and such. And we already went through that, so we can just bounce over to settings, and there you go with that. And up above, you're going to have your glasses holder, and then your map reading lights and your controls for your rear window and for your massive sunroof. So that about wraps it up for this Nissan on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. It was in an accident which resulted in miscellaneous damage, but the airbags did not deploy. There was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up, and it has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.